Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a Gmail ID on any Android smartphone. First, open the Settings app on your Android phone. Scroll down and tap on Google. Now, tap on Email account that you have been using. There you'll see an option, Add another account. It will take some time to load. Next, tap Create Account and choose For My Personal Use. Now, enter your first name in the required field. You can also add your surname or skip it by tapping Next. Enter your date of birth using the drop-down menus, then select your gender and tap Next. Here's where you create your Gmail ID. Once you find an available username, tap Next. Now create a strong password for your Gmail account, then tap Next. You'll see the option Next. You can tap Next. It will take some time to load. Tap Next. Finally, scroll down and tap I agree to accept Google's terms of service. And that's it. Your Gmail account is successfully created on your phone. You can now access all Google services like Gmail, YouTube, and Google Drive. If this tutorial helped you, hit the like button and subscribe for more how-to guides.